All right, team, listen up. Here's the situation. Approximately 5 minutes ago, the young U.S. hostage was captured by a terrorist group known as Medina Jihad. He was sitting in his house playing video games, doing heck knows what, before he was captured. Our situation has been called up by High Command to send us in.
Sir, is he armed?
Folks, this is Tommy. This is his first mission. Try to take care of him.
Walk along, people!
Let's go! Let's go.
Most people think SWAT team members are arrogant, stupid, and all we want to do is kill people.
Listen up. Just release the hostage and you'll be able to get out of this alive.
On the contrary, we're quite sensitive and educated.
No need for any bloodshed today. We can get through this. I got a highly trained team here that's ready to take you out.
For instance, I love a short story.
Don't do that! No! Don't do that! Don't make me make this call! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
Tommy! Tommy, are you okay?
Did we get the hostage?
Mission complete, Tommy. We got him.